What's up, YouTube? Well, it's been a little while since I made a video. Getting on the Integra today. Gonna be installing a shifter. Went ahead and bought a K-Tuned shifter, hybrid racing shift knob, and the plate, all right? Yeah, it's a little weird little combo, but the hybrid racing shifter is a lot more than this one, okay? So this one is the, this one here. Circuit2 X. Okay, this is like I think the 3rd generation shifter. That's all adjustable and everything. But it's pretty nice looking. Kind of looked at it earlier when I first got it. I've been sitting on this thing for a couple months. But it is pretty sweet looking. If you're looking at getting a shifter for your Civic or your Integra, some nice stuff. This is pretty crazy looking. I don't know about this at all. But my biggest concern with what I have now is that I can't reach the shifter actually. But this thing is it's pretty crazy, and it comes with a bunch of Allen wrenches. This thing's super adjustable. Hybrid racing shift knob. It's pretty plain. I just went with just a flat black one. It's gonna look pretty cool. You lose the boot, the leather boot. It's just a plate to kind of fill up some of the gap. We'll see how nice this looks. It's all together. But first things first, need to go and rip out the shifter out of the Integra. Oh, and I know you really like the shirt. Yeah, I know you like the shirt. The link down in the description box for the shirt. I know you want to get one, so. Oh shit, all right. All right, so I wasn't recording shit. All right, so I just went through a whole spiel on the shifter and I wasn't recording anything. All right, so current shifter, it's some type of aftermarket short shifter. Here's my issues. I'm almost 6'1", and to get the leg room I need in this car, I gotta go pretty far back. And when I go pretty far back, not right now, I'm too far forward, but I can't reach the car to put it into first, all right? And I can't reach third. So I have to sit with the seat all the way up here like this to be able to drive this car. I'm all driving it. It's already small in here, so it's just uncomfortable. So I'm hoping that the shifter will actually bring all this back a little bit, man, where I can move the seat and get away from the steering wheel a little bit better. So we'll see how it goes. First steps, this is all gonna get dropped from the bottom, so we gotta get rid of anything that's attached to it, like the shift knob, and we're gonna lose the boot. I don't know if this just pops up or what. I'm assuming it just pops up. I mean, I'm gonna end up breaking that shit because I'm just not in the mood to be messing with. I cracked it. Let's get out this dangerous weapon. You know, I really hope I don't have to take this whole console out to do this. I'm gonna have to look it up on YouTube.
What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a shift boot on a 1994 to 2001 Acura Integra. Now, mine is like that, but it doesn't. But in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how to take it out. I actually do not have a new one yet, but I'm planning on. Oh, nice. I want to pop out this little panel right here. And
you have to take the whole console apart. Cool, I'm gonna do that later. Okay, so it looks like you guys have probably watched the shifter videos before. Roll pin, this freaking thing here, got to remove this bracket here. What I'm not too pumped up about is the exhaust on this car. This is all like custom welded up, bootleg flange up in here with a gasket. This gasket here is totally just gonna fall apart if I take any of this apart. It's a serious kind of piece of crap, very unmotivating. I don't want to drop the exhaust. It looks like I have to drop the exhaust to get any of this crap out on that side. If I do, I'm just gonna kill myself. But over here, you know, it looks like you gotta get rid of these 12mm bolts, and somehow this is gonna fall out of here with this pipe in the way, and I don't want to jack with that. So let's go. Working on cars. It's I love it. It's fun. At least it's not hot. Not yet. It's not hot. Super tired of working on cars on my back. Drop the exhaust. I mean, can't do nothing. Can't see nothing. Oh, fuck me. Okay, got that one. Because my battery is too big. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Where are we at? Is this it right here? Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Got this bracket in my way. Don't want to leave my ratchet back there. Okay. What? What the fuck? Size is that? Is that a 10 millimeter for real? I didn't bring a 10 millimeter. Okay, roll pin time. So I think some people like struggle with these roll pins, and the key to doing them is just having the right tool. This is the roll pin punch, okay? It makes things hella easy when you're dealing with stuff like this, okay? You just have to have the right size and it'll come right out. And if you don't know what a roll pin is, this is what a roll pin is. Oop, where are we? Is it gonna focus? It's not gonna focus because why would it focus, right? All right, I'm done. This is a roll pin anyways. It's just a little piece of metal. All right, then you can just go with this. And we're gonna start crying here in a minute, trying to get the shifter out. All right. Because it ain't gonna come out because the exhaust is 1000% in the way. All right, let's go put the camera somewhere else so you can watch me struggle to get this out. Let's see, where's the best place to put the camera? Oh. No. It won't come out, so I'm gonna go ahead and, I got it wedged really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this apart. So, Good. Three. Okay. Let's see here. See how many times I can hit myself in the nuts with this bar. Okay. Go. Oh. Fucking bitch. Success. So I think if you have a Civic, it's a little different. You get 3 mounting holes, but with the Integra, you don't. You get a bunch of these. You just get 2 holes, 2 bolts. Okay, I guess it goes like that. Okay. I forgot to mention it came with 2 different styles of these bolts here with some different spacers and stuff. They go in here and here. So I guess we'll find out when I go to put this all back together which one of these I need to use. I'm assuming it's gonna be this one. It's all put together with all these washers and shit. So I think I'm gonna end up reusing this. Maybe, I don't remember which way this was. It was like that. You can have it all. You can have it all. Ooh. Okay. This is no fun taking apart this. So I got all these wacky switches here that do I don't know. One of them's the lights. The other one is something with the antenna, so I don't want to really take that apart. So look, this is upside down. Am I supposed to flip it? Alright, there you go. Shifter plate. Not winning. Alright, so it comes with these spacers that you're going to have to use with the Integra, okay? So it comes with a really big thick one like this. And it comes with 2 of these thin ones, okay? I have one on the other side. I really don't know. I definitely have to use the thick one. I really don't know which side to put it on, okay? Like which side's the best side. I have no idea, actually. This is just gonna be a little trial and error, I guess. It's nice because it's like really machined. It's machined really nice. I mean, it fits in there like good. Like I'm pretty happy with the quality so far of all the stuff that I'm touching, you know? Like of this stuff, it's like super good. It's not like eBay crap or any of that cheap crap. I don't know if I'm supposed to go here with it, like that, or go the other way. And so they give you 2 different bolts too. These are 2 different sizes. I'm assuming one's for a Civic and one's for the Integra. These are different lengths. Go here like this. I'm just gonna install it like that. And with all those Allen wrenches they gave me like 3 or 4 Allen wrenches. They didn't give you the one to use on this bolt. This is 6mm right here. Alright, so one little issue I found with the combination of a K-shifter and hybrid racing parts is that the K-shifter actually hits this back here when you go into first. Alright, and I'm trying to adjust the shifter at its lowest setting, or it's like short shift at the most, so this thing doesn't move as much. It still kind of hits it. That's a little annoying. It does it real good in first. It doesn't really do it in fifth. I don't know if I'm going to be able to live with that. I might have to modify this a little bit to make this work better, which kind of sucks, because that means I have to take apart this whole console again. But this is actually pretty neat as far as the shifting goes. I have the seat all the way back too, and I can reach it pretty good now. And there's a whole bunch of adjustability right here with the actual height, and it's not even as high as it can go, but it's pretty high now compared to where it was before. I was reaching way out down here like this. All right, not too bad. Feels good. Now, there's a lot of, I feel like I'm gonna have to carry around these Allen wrenches with me, but I really don't know what this big ass one is for. Give me a big one, but it doesn't go to anything.